What's the meaning of big cat? Big cat. Big cat.
Big cat. Big cat. Big cat typically refers to any species of large predatory felines, such as lions, tigers, leopards, and jaguars. These majestic creatures are known for their power, grace, and beauty. They hold an important place in many cultures, appearing in artwork, literature, and mythology. Unfortunately, many big cat species are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and other human activities. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals and preserve their natural habitats for future generations. Observing big cats in the wild can be a truly awe-inspiring experience, and they serve as a reminder of the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world.